guys, this is Priyanka and you all are watching Organizopedia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I deep clean my refrigerator, and I already have a video on how to organize refrigerator, and I got so many questions from which brand I bought this fridge. So it's basically from Samsung and the capacity is 230 liters. I'm trying to mention all the details related to this refrigerator in the description box. If you like, you can check description box for the same. So without any further ado, let's get in the video now.
So this is my refrigerator and this is the top section. This is the bottom part, and in this video I'm going to deep clean both the sections. So whenever I go for a long holiday, I stop putting things inside the refrigerator just to avoid the wastage. And this is how my refrigerator looks like when I came back from the holiday. And this is the ideal time for me to deep clean it. For deep cleaning, you have to take warm water. And in this, you have to add dish soap and stir the solution very nicely. And before cleaning, you have to remove everything from the refrigerator, including the baskets and the shelf which is already provided in the refrigerator. Now take the solution on a scrubber and scrub it very nicely. And you can always use an old toothbrush to remove dirt from small nook and crannies, which are very difficult to clean with the bare hands. So here I am using a toothbrush to remove dirt which is hidden inside the rubber. And here I am going to take a wet microfiber cloth and remove the excess soap from the refrigerator's body. So this is how these parts look when I have removed everything from here. And this is the door which I have just cleaned, and you all can see the difference. And now I'm going to clean this part also. I'm going to follow the same steps which I have just shown you. So I'm just going to do a little fast forwarding here. Now let's clean these baskets and shelves. So for cleaning this glass shelf, I'm gonna take same solution, and with the help of a scrubber, as you all can see, I'm scrubbing it. And to clean the difficult areas, again I'm using the same old toothbrush to clean it nicely. And then I'll rinse it with the normal tap water and I'll let them air dry. And in the same way, I'll clean everything which I have just taken out from the refrigerator, including all the glass baskets and the shelf from the refrigerator. So here are all the baskets and shelves. I'm just letting them air dry. और अभी तक मैंने अपना जो रेफ्रिजरेटर था उसको मैंने ऐसे ही ओपन करके छोड़ दिया था ताकि उसमें से जो फाउल ऑर्डर हो वो निकल सके. And then I took this collant, I just sprayed all over the refrigerator, and then with the help of a paper towel, I'm just picking any loose dirt which is still left on the refrigerator's body. So here I'm doing the same thing. So this is the final step, and for it, as you can see, I'm just removing the excess water which is still on the shelf with the help of this kitchen towel. I just want to make sure that they are completely dry before I put them back in the refrigerator. And now's the time to keep all these shelves back in the designated places. And this is how the refrigerator looks after I cleaned it thoroughly. So as you can see, the baskets are very neat and clean now. And this part is also very cleaned. And this is the door. All the baskets and shelves are properly cleaned. And you can see the dirt which was inside the rubber, it is also cleaned now. And this is the top section. और अब बस एक चुटकी के बजाते ही ये भी clean हो गया. So I just edit this part because as you all know, I followed the same step to deep clean this section also. And here you can see everything is properly neat and clean. As of now, I just kept things back to their places. I haven't organized it yet because I was super tired. So I just dumped things back to their places. And if you want to check out how I organize my refrigerator, for that I already have a previous video. You can always check I button and the description box for the same. But right now, I got so much meant to please that my refrigerator looks so neat and clean right now. So this is how I decorate the top part of my refrigerator. Here's a small plant. And this plant is called as jade plant. It's a kind of succulent. You can keep it inside. It's easy to be maintained. So this basically is a tin container. I got it from store 99. I haven't changed the plant in the tin container because in this way it's super easy to be maintained. And these are the small oil dispenser. I just kept them here. And this jar I like to keep all the receipts. So this is how I have decorated this part, and this is my refrigerator. This is how it looks. And at this part, I just use this command hook, which I got from D-Mart. And in this bag, I like to keep all the grocery bags. In this way, it's super easy to take out whenever I'm going out for shopping. And this is the polythene bag dispenser. I got it from IKEA. And here I am organizing all the plastic bags. So this is pretty much about how I have decorated my refrigerator. For everyday cleaning, I use Colin. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं आजकल Colin क्यों इतना use कर रही हूँ, but I use Colin to clean everything in my home. So I just sprayed all over the refrigerator, and then with the help of a microfiber cloth, I clean it. Make sure you clean handles very nicely. And I repeat this process every alternate days because as you can see, my refrigerator is in black color and it accumulates dirt very easily. And in every once in a week, I like to clean everything which is on the top of my refrigerator. So I remove everything, then I clean it and keep it back on the top. And in the same way, in every once in a week, I like to clean the inner body of refrigerator also with the help of a sponge wipe. So here today you can see I have less things in my refrigerator. तो मुझे वो टाइम मिल गया कि मैं रेफ्रिजरेटर को क्लीन कर पाऊँ. But it's not easy कि आप उसको हर दिन you just get a cloth and clean your refrigerator. It's not at all easy. तो जब भी आप वेजिटेबल शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं, जब भी फ्रिज में ट्रैफिक ना हो, you just take a cloth and clean it. But in every once in a month, just make sure that you deep clean your refrigerator. Otherwise, इसमें एक foul smell आने लग जाएगी.
So this is all for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy cleaning and bye bye.